confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, MP3 player, brake assist, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
There are plenty of reasons the Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi Certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.